In 1815, Mount Tambora erupted in Indonesia, causing a global climate anomaly known as the year without a summer. Crops failed and famine spread. In Switzerland, Mary Shelley and friends, trapped indoors by the cold, turned to storytelling to cope. This led to the creation of Frankenstein, a tale born from stress and creativity. How did a volcanic eruption inspire a literary masterpiece? The eruption's ash cloud blocked sunlight, leading to bizarre weather patterns. Shelley's story, a product of this dark summer, highlights how adversity can spark creativity. Today, Frankenstein remains a testament to overcoming stress through art.